Good morning, students, once more. Welcome you all in your class of English. Student, you all are enjoying a very beautiful story, very interesting story, The Master Artist. And this is the second session of the video. In the first session, I told you about the two characters in the story, Bartoli and the artist. Same artist which is here in the title, The Master Artist. And I explained you in what way Bartoli persuaded the artist to draw his painting in his dining hall so that the people could see his impressive and beautiful drawing, beautiful portrait. In the beginning, he denied as he was going to retire. Artist told that he was going to retire, so he was not available on hire. But later on, when he saw that Bartoli got disappointed, he agreed only at one condition, that if he would leave him alone, if nobody could go to him while he was doing his work, while he was painting. He told that nobody could see the painting before it was complete. He demanded simply a bed, and food for that, nothing else. So he has started, and I had explained that Bartoli, whose painting was being made, was very curious. He wanted to see how it looked. So most of it, whenever he just thought, he went to peep from behind the curtain. A very long curtain was spread on the 20 feet wall, just to covering 20 feet wall, on which the artist was drawing the painting. But he did not succeed to see the painting, as the artist stopped him, requested him not to come before the painting was complete. Here, this person was so much just curious to know the painting, and so he was going from behind the curtain. You can see here, as he is looking, he is peeping, and he often asked him how the painting was, how he was drawing, how it looked, the part of painting that was complete, how did it look. At that, he got the answer that it was going well. It was going all quite well, and he told that, the master artist told that he had got here the apprentice, means he learnt the painting from his great teacher Ambrogio Lorenzetti, and he didn't want to dishonor the name of his great teacher who had taught him the art. He had learned from Ambrogio Lorenzetti. He was a great artist. And he told that his teacher had taught how to make the grinding, pigment, laying plaster, sometimes slowly, sometimes faster. He taught him how to draw, and most importantly, not to hurry while painting, while drawing, while making the portrait. And that's why he told the painting was taking time. He told him to keep patience until the final touch was given to the painting. And he told he would let him see, he would be able to see. Again, 1 month passed, next month passed. Every time Bartoli came to peep, to see a glimpse of his painting, he did not succeed. He was not allowed. And every time Bartoli unwillingly returned from there, reluctantly returned from there. Again, next time he came and he asked how the painting was going on. The artist asked, it's coming along nicely. He told that he was fortunate, Bartoli was fortunate that he was painting for him, as he told that he was doing here a bureau fresco type of painting that needed 4 coats of lime plaster. That was a plaster process, and Bartoli every time just listened that and returned. Almost 3 months, 4 months, and even half a year passed, 6 months passed, like that in the painting he was making. And one day he came there being very irritated, very much annoyed, and he told that he demanded to see. He protested that day. He would not return, he would not go until he would see his painting, how it looked. And so at that time he was forced to show his painting, and he told, yeah, you can. He no doubt opened, removed the curtain, and Bartoli was able to see now the painting on the wall, on the 20-foot big wall, the painting that was ready. But my dear, the moment he saw the painting on the wall, he stood bewildered. He could not understand what that was. In fact, he became very angry. He became very angry. Okay. And what did he do? When he saw his painting, he told, how absurd! How absurd! He was telling about his painting. How absurd! How disgusting! What does this mean? What does this painting mean? You will not receive any money. Do you hear? None. I will not give you any money. You are not an artist, maybe a thief or a madman. He declared him a thief or a madman because he didn't like the painting, or maybe he couldn't understand what kind of painting it was. Get out of my sight. Bartoli became angry and told him to get out of his sight. You will leave my house tonight, or I will have you thrown out. Either you will leave my house today, or I will throw you out from my house. So then what happened? Then what was that happened? Here in the last year, what happened? Actually, why? Question is here, why didn't he like? Why did Bartoli not like his painting? The painting that was drawn was not here of his life. In the beginning, the painting that he had drawn was, he had drawn the painting of 5 years earlier. That was to be developed after 5 years. He was before 5 years. Such like a painting it was. And he had given in the form of cubist expression. In the cubist expression, that is belonging to a style that is called cubism, that is a form of modern art. So he had drawn the painting in the just a style of modern art, okay, in which what is used geometric shapes, and was developed and made here famous by, that was here developed by famous here Pablo Picasso in the early 19th century. He had gone here 5 years here before. That was to be developed after 5 years. And that's why he didn't like the painting. Bartoli didn't like. He wanted the painting of that here time, of his contemporary here art, which was not drawn, as he fulfilled his own desire. The artist got an opportunity, the first time in his opportunity, to express his own expression, his own imagination freely, without being forced. Because during his artistic period, he was forced, he was working under an organization, union, and he was forced. There was a limit of his expression, what he could do and what he couldn't. So he was doing under that way. Whatever he thought, whatever came to his own imagination, he was not able to draw. So the first time he got sufficient time and sufficient space so that he gave his own imagination a wing and fully expressed, which was not liked by Bartoli. This is what here in the story. So no doubt in second period I will explain you the line voice, everything, and this is what the content that I have told you. Everything that I have told you is from this here part, second part, the last part, concluding part of the story. So I am sure you must have understood, and you will go through whole chapter minutely so that the concept will be much better in your mind. Thank you, students. Thank you very much being with me.